Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name is Mariella. My channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is excuse me. Today is July the 9th and our daily devotion is called Fathom His Glory. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day, they pour forth speech. Night after night, they reveal knowledge. Psalms 19, 1 and 2. If you want to be amazed, go outside and look up. Our sky is an endless, ever-changing canvas of awesome. How many shades of blue can there be? How many shapes of clouds? Sunrises, sunsets, breathtaking, glorious. When is the last time you stopped and marveled at God's incredible creativity? Take some time right now to notice something glorious. Go study a spring bloom. Go read about the human eye. Try to fathom God's glory. What a craftsman God is. God, I'm looking up and I'm amazed. One day may be gray and dark, but the next is rich in color and light. You are definitely creative, and I look forward to your marvelous display. The nighttime devotion. The night sky has its own mysterious beauty. Swells of darkest blues and blacks are protruded by picks of light. How far away are the heavens seen? How large, up close, is that tiny shimmering star? What the day proclaims out loud, the night whispers. Look at this world. How vast, how lovely, how immeasurable are the stars, like the glory of the God who made them. The question of the day. How have you been amazed by God lately? I sit here all the time and I look out my window and I'm amazed by the beauty of the sky. I get up to watch the sunrise to another glorious day. Even on cloudy, rainy days, I still get up. And you might not see the sun, but you know it's out there. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.